And joining us now to discuss is CoinDesk Director of Data and Indexes, Galen Moore in Boston. Welcome to the show, Galen, as always. So what's behind these big liquidations?
You know, that's always the question. I think anytime you see the price move like this, you are going to see positions liquidated in the futures and the swaps markets. And certainly the funding rate in the perpetual swaps was trending positive over the past few weeks. So perhaps just some people got out over their skis, and certainly that has an accelerating effect, as you noted, in a moment of market volatility.
And there's a lot of volatility. Trading volumes 70% on Tuesday, now down to about 20%. So was that all because of the excitement surrounding the El Salvador Bitcoin law, or are traders coming back from the holiday and that's what it is?
I'm inclined to think more of the latter, Christine. I think what's happening in El Salvador, certainly a lot of people are watching it, but I think we've seen in the past that the events there haven't really shown the ability to move markets. And I don't expect that would be any different in this environment.
All right. Well, the CoinDesk 20 returned so far in September. We have a chart. Bitcoin trailed the entire list in August, but is improving this month. Tell us about what's going on here.
Yeah, I think what you're seeing here is the effects of Tuesday's price action. Anytime there's a bit of a downward move, Bitcoin does tend to do a little better, and it does tend to lag altcoins in the run-ups. What's interesting here is I think you see some of the assets that were leading in August right now underperforming Bitcoin. But at the same time, kind of a mixed bag in terms of what are these assets that are outperforming Bitcoin so far in September. Certainly Filecoin up more than 10%. It has this kind of institutional pedigree, right? It's a Y Combinator company. Investors include Union Square Ventures and Sequoia. And I'm bound to add Digital Currency Group, parent of CoinDesk. Plus, it actually does something that technology investors can understand. It's a storage product, which is as old a story as EMC and VMware. So I think, at the same time, you've got some projects in there that are more retail driven, perhaps. Polygon and Chainlink have certainly been driven by retail enthusiasm. Those have outperformed Bitcoin so far this month as well.
Yeah, at the same time, we're seeing Bitcoin dominance standing at about 41% compared to the market cap of the whole rest of the crypto market. Do you ever see Bitcoin dominance ever coming back to over 50%?
Not in this environment, I don't think, Christine. I think you'd have to see something change significantly, maybe either geopolitically, technology-wise, or regulatory in crypto. But right now, I think Ethereum and its ilk, its sort of affiliated properties and also competitors are in the driver's seat. Investors are taking serious long-term capital is taking an increased interest in that story. And I think we'll continue to see that sort of push Bitcoin below the 50% point on Bitcoin dominance.